Naibu wa Rais, leo tuliamua kama juzi tuwaheshimishe wamama, kwa sababu aliyelala hapa ni nani? Ni mama. Muthoni Wakirumba, just a word for a minute. Asante sana. An excellent lady.
Nyadarwa kaimahotire Nyadarwa Gaine mwega na hindi ciothe. Thank you so much, Your Excellency, the Deputy President Rigiji, my bishop and my neighbor, Ithawa Alvin, Mama Alvin na family yanyu yothe, agenere mokire guku gwitu gutikorwo na riu oguo ona ikaria guku ni ndire na maingi njitagwo Muthoni Wakirumba kana baby top. Njugire umuthi ndiguthie wira tondu muthuri uyu ni murata witu, ni murata wakwa na ni wa guku gwitu mucii, na ndauga nigetha njuke muthenya umuthi tucakae mutumia uyu ndagire na ihinda ria kumumenya na gucemania nake ena hinya ona atakuigua wega, koguo ithu turauga ahuruke uhoro. Koguo bishop witu Kimaitu ahuruke uhoro, arari single mother no ndirona ta ndorete kumbuka, koguo hoye muno ingikiona mundu ni ndire guikagiria kanyamu ona single mother ndariraragira na ndakihika. Rigiji araigire tugie twana tuingi tutikahenio ni athungu uria mahenirio makigia twiri, na ndirakirirwo tondu tukiri oguko riu kurathi atia, koguo ndugukorwo kihuta muno. Ngai murathime muno Nyandarua na tuthie na mbere na kunyitirira thirikari na makiria Rigiji witu guku gutinyuagwo njohi muno, na ni senator witu ni uyu uguo ona governor witu. Koguo guku no kurorerwo waru citu irorwo wega, barabara citu ithondekwo ni badilisha witu itiguo iria ritu rihote kuumirio, tukareherwo bataraitha itu ndikareho era twaritwo na kuria, na tondu mutongoria witu ehani njui ni aguturora muno na ni awe Nyandarua tutiri itheru. Koguo ni njui maundu maitu ni magukorwo me mega. Ndikwenda kwaria muno, ni ngatho muno. God bless you so much. Asante sana.
Thank you. Muhore iroheru wega Muthoni Wakirumba, ona ni wira mwega muraturutire gututangathira igongona riri kuma ria maitu akuire. Ngai witu amurathime muno. All media houses, you are so good to us. Guku kwina investors aige marugamite na family ino na ndigihota gutambura othe. Ni ndirona Petans driving school, Ashuma refrigerators, ni ndirona my friend haha na ndirarigwo no kumarugamirira. But allow me to invite a great woman of this nation, Dama Mobile. Okay, represent all investors. God bless you, Dama. For a minute, as I'm winding up, you represent all the investors. Arama supported this great event. Begin makofi anapokuja. Rohe. Dani arakinya. Asante Dama.
Thank you so much, Sir James, His Excellency the Deputy President of Kenya, the clergy, our leaders, distinguished guests, our fellow mourners, family and friends. Good afternoon. Haha Gachagua, our bishop, etukwenda the muno bishop, gutikoni mamu wanyu, yakumireria na tuhago kumireria, yakumirerie akwe hinya na nijo na wewe muhuri wa biashara, nikio hana ta muhuri wa biashara, hana ta Dama Mobile Spares, hago kumireria, girugamirira my fellow investors. Thank you so much. To our Deputy President, we are behind you in the fight against illicit rules. Muno. Thank you, Governor Itoa Goko Nyandarua County. We are working 2 weeks ago. Na tukiona rola hurana na johi. Isijoru sia juragani. Thank you so much. Na God bless you.
Muhore iroheru wega. Riu gwiciria murage wa modern furniture ni moigwo mu represented wega. Ona Daniel ni uramenya we investor na ikuru na ndio waigwa we represented. Thank you very much. Ngai amurathime muno. Ndio na tribute area totally turahota kunyita son ya Bishop JJ ugitwa Alvin na haria turi munyitira no haria ariria tondu ekuria UK. Koguo tugikara tu hold it until riria turi munyita. But for now jitikiria inie tere haha kigongona ini riki niguo jitikiria kanitha na niguria our own Reverend Mureithi and Reverend Mwaki Zakayo okay otambure reverends aramekuo onyitire bishop mutheo geni aturehere bishop kigongona-inĩ, and that is done. God bless you. Urigai Reverend Mwangi Zakayo. God bless you. Thank you. Sir James, ngayaro kurathima nĩ tondũ ũguo atũtwarithia. Your Excellency, Deputy President Rigathi wa Gachagua, my dad, tondũ ũyũ nĩ wa gwitũ. O tũrĩa ndĩrakwĩrire ndũ wa itũũra. The team of clergy, atungatĩri othe, Archbishop, Bishop, othe mokĩte nĩgetha tũnyitĩre ũhoro ũyũ nĩgetha tũkinye gũkinya mũthia mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ. And my bishop, Bishop Dr. JJ Gitahi, nashirika all the priesthood kanitha tondũ nĩ ngwamba kũnyita mweke ũyũ ndĩmũcokeria ngatho nĩ ũrĩa mwĩrutĩire na andũ arĩa othe mokĩte nĩgetha tuomboreze hamwe. Bwana asifiwe. Mwathani arogocwo. Bwana asifiwe. Kwa marĩtwa njĩtagwo Reverend Mwangi Zakayo na ndungatĩra na kanitha wa priesthood mwena wa Kiambu rungu rwa ndagĩtarĩ Dr. Bishop JJ Gitahi. Na koguo ngĩrũgama haha nguoya mweke ũyũ on behalf ya kanitha wothe wa priesthood. Okay, ninajulishwa kwamba Alvin tondũ nĩ thimũ-inĩ na nĩ ekwenda kũheana tribute nĩ tondũ wa cũcũ wao. Koguo tu tafadhali kwa heshima na wakati tafadhali ũrĩa wĩ nayo nĩ atwĩkĩrĩre nĩgetha tũcoke tũthiĩ na mbere. Wale ambao wanaseza hiyo kwa simu tafadhali waiweke kwa screen ama kwa mic tafadhali. Tunapoendelea kufanya hivyo,
unanisikia?
Ya, tunakusikia. Karibu sana Alvin, utoe tribute yako siku ya leo.
Hello.
Ongea.
So, all protocols observed. I am Alvin Gitahi. I am a footballer in the UK. I am an artist. And most of all today, I am a grandson. And Shosho alikuwa a very strong woman. Anyone who knows her, alikuwa anajua Shosho hakuwa jokes at all. Like I said in my last tribute on the memorial, Shosho was a very, alikuwa mentor, alikuwa anatuguide and alikuwa anatupenda sana. And anything that kitu alikuwa na stand for sana, what she stood for so much was family na loyalty. And today I want to leave you with a word from Ecclesiastes chapter 7 verse 4. Na hii Shosho ndo alikuwa ananiambia. And it says, a wise man thinks about death, but a fool thinks only about having a good time. Nitairudia, Ecclesiastes chapter 7 verse 4. A wise man thinks about death, but a fool only thinks about having a good time. So, what I get from this word, nenye nataka ku encourage everyone, from my siblings, Kina Lindsay, JJ, Bray, to my dad and mom, to my cousins, Akina Ndomo, Akina Bobo, Kina Masharia. Sisi wote tuko connected na Shosho in our own way. Na kitu moja about Shosho ni sisi wote tunajua Shosho was not afraid of death. Shosho alikuwa, and the only way to live a fruitful life is being courageous in death. Shosho was very courageous. Umesikia stories zenye nyuma ametupea kwa tribute yake, ilikuwa about fighting na also she was a fighter from the word go. Shosho alikuwa anapenda nyama choma sana. So kila mtu akikula nyama choma always think about Shosho. Kwa sababu hata bado meno zake zilikuwa sawa sana. She was very healthy, very strong. So let's be courageous in death. In anything you do, think about death because we should be wise people like Shosho. She taught us that hivyo ndo tunafaa kumove. Ukifikiria kuhusu death, utafikiria kuhusu watu wenu. Nilikuwa nakaa na yeye hapo kila time tunapiga masimu karibu 20 people every day, anataka kujua kila mtu anaendeleaje, kila mtu amefikisha wapi mambo fulani. Ndio amesleki, anakwambia hapana, kuna kuslack, you need to stand up and do something, because she always made decisions quickly, which is another thing alinifunza. Decision making was about, I like it was about decision making. Kwa hivyo kama kuna kitu unaendeleza, take it from Shosho. Shosho won. Shosho can make decisions. She was not afraid of making a mistake. Ali embrace everything that life ilimpatia. And as you can see, sisi wote pamoja hapa wenye tuko kwa burial na funeral ya Shosho, she has won. Hata mimi I'm shocked. I didn't even expect this for her, but I'm still shocked that tuko na prominent people wenye alikuwa yeye mwenyewe anapenda, alikuwa anataka tuweke Inoro, tunatoa makatuni, tunatoa na YouTube na tumwekea Inoro. I watch the same people who are showing up to her funeral. So that's a win for according to me, that's a win. And let's again, I always person thinks about death, but a fool only thinks about having a good time.
Tumpigia makofi mazuri. Thank you Alvin. Amekuwa strong enough kusoma tribute yake na mahali alipo Mungu akampatie nguvu, kwa sababu tunajua kwamba ana follow kutoka kwa internet ama kwa mitabo ya Facebook. Niendelee na kusema ya kwamba nimesimama hapa on behalf ya kanisa ya Priesthood kama mchungaji mmoja ambaye anahudumu na kanisa ya Priesthood pale Kiambu, na tuoka kurehera biradi shitu tutakanitha na makanitha mothe ma Priesthood tudume guku dadi wote kutoka Nyanyuki, wote wako huku okure gothe twina branches ciothe cie guku. We are behind you. Tukite nigetha tukumiririe, tukite nigetha turugame na nyumba yanyu, tukite nigetha tuke tuonanie wendo uria munene muno twina guokoro-ini citu, tugiuka kumon, tugiuka go celebrate a hero Shosho itu, tondu ni Shosho kometa haha agikorwo uria turamumenyera thiko icio ahana na wendo uria munene muno wanatuonia twita kanitha, ogwo ngoro-ini yake ni arakoretwo njamba nginya miturire-ini itu. So we condole with the family na tuga no wega ande tuga ni pole muno ngawitoro murathima na mwike maundu mega itanehera ande tondu ni kwenda kunengera my senior bishop Muthe gwenda kwamba ku recognize presence ya atungatiri aria twina all pastors haria mari akoe mutungatiri ngathini ya pastor urugame hari uritu o kurugama tu all pastors. Kama wewe ni mchungaji mahali ulipo, ni tondu bishop JJ ni akoretwe ena andu aingi muno arata thijiri, wasimame mahali walipo, tuwapigie makofi mazuri kanisa. Thank you on behalf ya bishop. Nina mshokeria ngatho ni guka all reverends. Kama wewe ni reverend, tafadhali simama kwa miguu yako, tuwapigie makofi mazuri on behalf ya kanisa wa Priesthood na on behalf ya bishop JJ Gitahi na family yao. Nitwamshokeria ngatho ni kunyitana hamwe na ithui na ogwo murakoretwo munaritie wendo munene, no tagwo twina ngatho nyingi ngawitoro murathima itanehera hakwita my senior bishop Muthe tondu ngigithie mbere ya hau nigetha nake oke atutware gikiro kiu kingi tumuhurire ruhiri wega. Thank you Bishop Muthe, karibu sana. Uke nigetha nawe tumenyithanie na bishop aria mekuo na ututware uri uguthii.
Murega tumukumia Yesu Kristo. Tuhurire Reverend Mwangi Zakayo ruhiro wega. Ungiona mundu utara celebrate aria angi ena gathina, hurira Reverend Mwangi Zakayo ruhiro wega. Our Deputy President, thank you muno ni tondu wa grace occasion ino, our clergy na all protocols observed. Handu-ini ha our general overseer Priesthood Fellowship Churches Ndagitari JJ ndamukaribisha inyuothe na muigue mwe welcome. Ndikwenda kuria maregu tufundithitio kwa hakuria mathaa handu-ini ha bishop negwenda bishop ra twina haha agitio kire na rugamai not yak bishops dikinyete level yo bishops turugame tumahurire ruhiro wega na nitondo niturateithia wadada muno ni gwenda Bishop Jane King'ori oke oheane na bidabisha kudagike mwe on behalf ya bishops. Karibu.
Ndamugeithia inyuothe na ngeithi cia wendo wa Mwathani Muriega. Protocol observed. Deputy President witũ Rigathi Gachagua tukwendete muno makiria mwena wa kigongona Archbishop Frederick Wang'ombe na ndungata ciothe cia Ngai inyumukite ku grace occasion ino ndugamite haha on behalf of all bishops toni maronire ni kwagiriire tondu mutumia niwe bongagwo ni mwana, mutumia niwe okuaga mwana. Tuke to celebrate na turehe tribute shito kuri Mam Dorcas na tumwire ahuruke thayo na thie wega ni tuguteithia wira munene arutite tondu ndewa yake koroni endire kweheria na kwenda kuruta mwana uyu tumite tucemanie muthenya wa umuthi tutingiuka muthenya wa umuthi. Mami Dorcas ndiratumwo ni ma bishops mothe marajira njuke ngwire no atutigira kigongona na ni urutite wira mwega muno makiria uhuruke thayo na wakinya matuini no turie araika aria marikuo haria mami wa Samueli aigitwo uigwo hakuhi nake ni tondu no atutigira njamba na ni utwikite wega. Ngai aromurathima Bishop Ndagitari ni ukoretwo ri mentor witu, ni ukoretwo gitumbiriria na nikio na ithwe ma bishop mothe Odomwe na kraje na thirikari yothe tuoka gukwira thank you muno na tuge ati tutitigitwo ro uguo iria riria turanyuaga riria tuoka Kaibaga mukimo riria turariaga riria tuoka Kaibaga. Mam Paris rugama mami witu you are Ruth in our nation ni twini uri turugagira na ndugatoima gitete kiria mami witu aratuheaga. Be strong wongerere ngoro ngiriu ni tondu riu wi mami witu na wi mami wa kanitha. God bless you all. Thank you.
Thank you muno tuhurire muthikabu itu ruhiro wega. Riu gwenda tuingire kanitha-ini immediately na rwimbo rwa tukurugama naruo ni atiriri tiga wari mwena wa kungindo turugamei